Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things home decor. Today we are exploring beautiful blend of vintage cottage and farmhouse design. This style come together to create a warm, inviting and timeless look that's perfect for any home. If you are fan of cozy space filled with character, you are in the right place. Consider using a vintage trunk as a coffee table or collection of old books as a decor. This element not only bring the character but also create a sense of warmth and comfort. Cottage style is all about creating a light, airy and welcoming atmosphere. It's all about perfect balance between elegance and casual comfort. To achieve this look, use soft pastel colors, floral patterns and natural materials like wood and cotton. And don't forget the textile, curtains and cushions, and throw the delicate patterns and fabrics can instantly add the cozy cottage feel. Farmhouse style is rooted in simplicity and functionality with a strong connection to nature. Think wooden furniture, metal accent and natural color palettes. So how do we blend these three styles together? It's easier than you might think. Start with natural base to allow the different elements to shine. Mix and match vintage pieces with cottage pattern and farmhouse furniture. Layering textures, combining old and new, and playing the different pattern will help you create a space that uniquely yours. I am going to show you how to blend this style together in one space. So keep watching to see how you can create a harmonious home that feels both timeless and cozy. so much for joining me today. I hope you found ideas in this blend of vintage cottage and farmhouse decor. Remember, the best space are ones that reflect your personality and style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our next design adventure. Until next time, happy decorating!